Alright, so I'm crazy. Fucking cold. I'm going sailing. All rigged up here. Wait for Tina. She's going to actually pick me up way down there and follow the wind. A friend of ours has a boat landing, so we're going to go plop it there, bring the big boat up on Sunday, and we'll take it out with the truck we're bringing the big boat up with. Going to use the mainsail because it's a little too windy today and it's freaking cold. Don't want to die. Hardcore, baby. Look at those gusts. Look at that. It's going to be a sideways day. Hopefully Tina can take a picture of me taking off.